Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. This is Josie. Today I am going to repot this plant. I just got it today and this seems pretty healthy. And this one here, I like the variegation here. So cute, and it says over here Florida Beauty, Dracaena gazzifiana. I got the same thing. I have two over here, and this one here is Manjula Photos. Okay, from Solomon Island. By the way, this one from Canary Island. And this here, I might just plant this over this big planter behind me. Yeah, I have this big planter. Let's see, move this over here. See, thank God I put it in the roller. There's a roll here, and so I think I'm just gonna plant this over here. Join with this golden photos. Plenty of room over here to grow. So, but before I start my repotting, I like to have this. This mat here. It's very handy if you're working inside. If working inside like this, and this is pretty handy. If your miss is sick, I just pull this up here. Pull every corner here, button up every corner, or just leave it loose. It's okay. There, I think that's good enough. I know, even I still have this vinyl mat. I still like to have this container here for my soil. Oh, oh. This soil is really wet here. It's so moist. And I don't know, I don't wanna, I guess I'm just gonna keep this Deus Coco-Peat. And I'm not gonna break into this the soil. I just leave it as it is. If I add another soil, this one here is just going to soak to the other soil, because so far so good. The roots, it's healthy, and so there it is. Mixed soil mixed. This is, I mixed it with potting soil, Coco-Peat, and perlite. Right, there you go, looking good. Really guys, this one, it's time. It's like really need a bigger pot. Yeah, it's time to for repotting. And I see this here, there's some shoots here. I don't know if you can see this right here in the corner. And this plant, it's been overly watered. I will do something over here. Just for plant. Mhm. I hope they're happy now. But right now, I'm not going to water this because it's the soil is really wet. This is my palmera. I got this about 1.5 years ago. They're really tiny, so I'm going to just give it a try and plant this. This one is Marble Queen Photos. But what I'm going to do this is split. Let's see. I know I just transferred this recently, but while they are small, I'm gonna do something else here. Water. I'm going to plant this together. I combined Marble Queen Photos and Palmera. Let's see what happens. Okay, this, I'm going to transfer this in here. Okay. Oh, okay. All right, guys. I just finished repotting my plant, as you can see, and they are beautiful and looks healthy, and should be good now for a while. It's time to watch them grow. We'll see, and they're beautiful. Okay, and this is it. That's it for now. Hope you all enjoy watching my video, and hope to see you all again on my next video upload. And please don't forget to subscribe, like, comment, and share. I appreciate your support, and happy planting. God bless. Cheers.